Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Messages or any app where you type. Tap a conversation and then the text field so the keyboard appears. Once the keyboard is visible, locate the globe or smile icon near the spacebar and tap it. This switches to the Emoji face panel. Make sure your iOS is up to date so the latest emoji appear. If you don't see the icon, check Keyboard Settings in Settings General Keyboard, add the emoji keyboard, and then return to resume. Now you'll pick and customize the emoji face you want. Scroll through categories or tap the magnifying glass and type a keyword to find faces quickly. Tap an emoji to insert it into your message. Press and hold some face emojis to reveal skin tone or hair variants, then slide to choose one. For a personalized look, tap the emoji or sticker icon, create or select an emoji, then tap to insert. Once done, you can send it or add text around it. Finally, send and manage your emoji faces. After inserting an emoji, tap the send arrow or type extra text and then send as usual. If you need to change a sent emoji, long press the message to copy, react, or delete and resend the corrected emoji. If a face doesn't appear or looks like a placeholder, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and that the emoji keyboard is enabled in settings. If problems persist, restart the Messages app or the phone to refresh the keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.